Final Draft is a word processor built into Medisoft. It's totally integrated with the database, so I can utilize it for mail merge or for creating a letter or a back to school note or progress note without having to use my data or using other external software. So let's see how it works. So when you click Final Draft, it automatically puts today's date with the timestamp. I can just type my letter here and I have all the different icons that you're probably familiar with. But it goes beyond that. I'm going to show you how to use a template in Final Draft to create a letter. So first I'm going to open a sample. I'm not going to change it much. I'm going to use it as is. Then I'm going to show you how to edit it. So I'm going to click on the open folder, and those are the different types. So those are letters, those are document, narratives, notes, template, and sample. So I'm going to choose the sample, and those are the different samples that you have. So let's say I want to take a return to school letter. Then I'm going to open it. So this is the sample or the template, and there's a few things going on here. Anything that starts with a pound, and you get the bracket. So those are either a system date. So this is a system field. This here is a database field. So this is coming from the patient name, first name, last name. This is the date of injury. This is a fill-in. Fill-in means that it's going to prompt you to type something while you're doing that because you don't store this particular information into your Medisoft. So I'm going to just give this a new name, and I'm just going to call it this. Back to school, and I'm going to make this a template. I'm going to hit save. Okay, then I'm going to close. Let's say I want to use this, so I'm going to hit insert, template. Then I need to pick which patient. So let's say I'm taking Demi Moore. I only have one template. Then now I'm going to hit insert. Then what it's going to do is going to prompt me for anything that says fill in. Okay, so that's maybe the name of the school. Going to replace, and then this is another one, and you just type whatever note you have here. And if this is the same wording that you just typed, you can just replace again, or you could just type something different, so it's prompting you. So here what it did is today's date, the name of the student. I didn't have an injury date in the case, so this didn't come up. The name of the school and anything that I typed as a test note to prompt you. So let's go back and take a look how to edit this type of template. So I'm going to click on open again, and I'm going to move template. I can go back to the one that I just did. I'm going to open it. Now I'm in the template edit mode. Anything in black, that means it's going to stay as is. If I want to change it, I can change it here. But if I want to add a field or I want to modify something different, so you put your cursor wherever you want to type. Then I can insert a page break here. I can insert a field. On the left hand side is the table where it's coming from, and this is my case. So this is all the field that you normally see in your case. So I can just take one of those field and insert it. And also I can insert other things like a date or time. I can insert a picture, so that picture could be a logo of your practice. I can insert another template. Maybe I want to combine two templates together and give them one master name. Either you can save it and overwrite whatever I called it here, return to school, or I can save as and give it a different name. So I'm going to overwrite it. And now I'm going to close, and I'm going to start a blank document here. Then I'm going to use this template. I'm going to hit insert, template, and return. Pick the patient. That's how to use Final Draft inside Medisoft. I hope you found that helpful. Click below for the complete Medisoft Online Academy by MicroEyes, or you should know that if you sign up for the Medisoft Cloud by MicroEyes, you will get the complete online academy at no additional charge. Also, we provide one-on-one training. Let's get your practice running at peak efficiency. Don't compromise. Go MicroEyes.